Hello and welcome to the Maintenance Modernization Program. Logistics is one of the major challenges facing the Air Force, Navy and Army in the future. Lieutenant Albers is an instructor and expert. Supported by intelligent software, as well as multidimensional information on a multi-touch table and presenter wall, he interactively teaches complex technical know-how. Let's get started. Touch and the Fennec is ready. Pre-prepared training documents open. Films and animations support the learning process. The integrated and interlinked maintenance data is also used for training. These include interactive electronic schematics, virtual training simulations, and interactive electronic technical documentation. Jan is a 19-year-old maintenance trainee, accustomed to using modern technology. After a few weeks, the most important part of the training begins: troubleshooting a defective weapons system. Lieutenant Albers explains the troubleshooting using an expert system. The expert system guides the maintenance technician through the troubleshooting. Detailed instructions appear on the smartphone. Thus, the maintenance technician is capable of repairing a weapon system even if the expert is not available. Finally, the instructor puts the smartphone into augmented reality mode. Augmented reality is an orientation aid for the maintenance technician. It shows the troubleshooting instructions directly on the weapon system's components. In the practical part, maintenance technicians are educated on serial weapon systems, reducing the life cycle costs of those systems. Lieutenant Albers monitors the performance of the maintenance trainees using the Maintenance Training Observation System. Cameras record the trainees' individual work steps. A connection to the diagnostic computer makes it possible to monitor the activities and analyze them at any time. Interesting scenes can be tagged using the touchscreen function, and an integrated communication system makes it possible to speak to the trainees in order to give them tips and advice. Together with the trainees, Lieutenant Albers analyzes the tagged recordings on the multi-touch table. He saves individual scenes tagged with keywords. The intelligent framework links this information with the integrated maintenance data using a semantic network. This makes the data available for future training and support. The training is complete. Jan returns to his unit, well trained by the Maintenance Modernization Program, and perfectly prepared for his upcoming challenges as a maintenance technician. A malfunction in the weapons system. The tank commander requests the maintenance technician for the CV-90. He is not at the base camp. Jan has to perform his task. He opens the virtual model of a CV-90 on the smartphone. The expert system guides him through the individual test steps. The augmented reality mode supports the troubleshooting. Jan soon finds the defective component. Now he knows what the fault is and can act immediately. A cable is broken. Jan verifies this by a final measurement. The augmented reality shows him exactly the pins to be measured. Before installing the spare part, he uses the interactive electronic technical documentation on his laptop to check what he needs to pay attention to. Jan changes the cable immediately. After a short time, the CV90 is repaired and ready to continue its mission. Jan is pleased with his work. Back at the base camp, he uses the interactive electronic schematics tool to understand the weapon system's functionalities. This is his first step towards becoming an expert. Mike, maintenance technician, has a problem. There is no complete wheel set available in the base camp to repair the Fennec. He only has a damaged wheel set available. But Mike has not been trained for disassembling the wheel set. He needs help. He requests assistance from the support center in Schusterbach. Jan is Fennec expert and instructor at the OTC log. He offers support to the maintenance technicians in the mission areas. At the training center, teaching is interrupted. A group of maintenance trainees will now learn from the practice. For this, the multi-touch table is switched from training mode to support mode. Jan creates a problem report. He gets insight into the Fennec configuration immediately. The instant display of information and documents supports Jan in identifying the problem. The 3D visualization enables Jan to see all relevant components. The intelligent multi-touch table provides him with all relevant information from the integrated maintenance databases. Together with the instructor, he summarizes the information required to solve the problem. A solution file is created. Jan discusses with Mike whether all equipment necessary for the repair is available. He then forwards the solution file by a finger touch. It was possible to resolve Mike's problems quickly and efficiently. Thanks to appropriate instructions from the Maintenance Training and Support Center, the Fennec is ready again for mission operations. To preserve the high efficiency of the Maintenance Modernization Program, all offline data are regularly updated by the Maintenance Training and Support Center. Thereby, all important maintenance data are available anytime and anywhere. The Maintenance Modernization Program is the most powerful weapon for maintenance technicians of the future.